Hi Tentsile folks, today I'll be showing you how to set up the T-Mini, nice and quick. There's the T-Mini itself, one ratchet, 3 straps, and now we've got to lay out the T-Mini so all the corners are pointing to our anchoring trees. Have line of sight tags on both sides. You want to look with your eye past the tag down the side, and you can see that this corner is off, so stay there with the camera, and that's looking about right now. Take your straps. At the end of the strap you find a loop. Put the loop round the tree, put the strap through the loop, and then girth it like that, all 3 sides. You take your ratchet and you attach it to one of the 2 front ends, not the tail, because what you want is the outwards tension. Keep your upper body up off the ground. So you take the loop through the D-ring, put the ratchet through the loop, and girth that. So on the 2 ends on the 2 corners that don't have the ratchet, you take your strap that's around the tree and you pull that strap through, and then you do a girth hitch, which means you go round and under, then over, so you've got that, like a tie when you're making a tie with your shirt. And then you take a little bit of loop and put it under that over part, and then you're ready to go, and you've got a quick release when you want to, so that won't go anywhere. So I've already given that one a girth hitch, and now I'm going to pull the tail and pinch there. I'm going to pull it kind of not quite as hard as I can, because I still need to get this knot in. So over to give you that bridge, and then through the D-ring with a loop under that bridge, and pull tight, quick release. Then on the last corner, take the ratchet, thread the strap through the spindle, pull it as tight as you can by hand before you start ratcheting. You don't want to overfill the spool, but you do want it to go round 3 or 4 times. And then you pull the lock and set it back so that this jams behind into the housing. Okay, so for the best setup, what you want to do is make sure that your line of sight tag lines up with the corner, which lines up pretty much with the tree and that strap there. And that angle will ensure that this side and this side is equally tight, giving you the best lay. Should be as tight as a drum. You can always adjust the center strap that's underneath at this point here to be tighter or looser, depending on if you are sharing the hammock. If you want to share the hammock and you want to have separation, this should be tighter. If you want the whole hammock to yourself, this should be looser. At the moment it's creating a ridge between the 2 sides of the hammock. So I can be in this side, someone else can be in this side, and you don't roll into each other. T-Mini.